Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Lady T's Things That Bling. And today I'm going to be making some snow globes that I'm going to be using items mostly that I got from Dollar Tree. That glycerin I got from Amazon. Okay, here you're going to see me putting in some glitter, and then I'm going to put in some faux snow that I got from Dollar Tree. And let me just tell you this, don't put that much glitter in there. Please don't. That was way too much. But this was my first time trying it, so I tried it. It was way too much, and then I put some more in there. Ciao. I don't know what I thought I was doing. But if you guys hear any background noise, please do not listen to it. Somebody else is here, and they're watching TV. Anyway, I put too much snow and glitter in both of the globes, but you'll see me dish it out later on. So here I'm putting a snowman on one of the inserts and a tree on the other inserts. I'm filling up this bigger globe with distilled water because I read online that it's better to use distilled water so that it won't get moldy. The water won't get moldy. So because this globe is bigger, I'm using a tree because it's too tall for the smaller globe, and I'm hot gluing it to the insert. Do you see all that glitter flopping around in there? Watch what I do with that. I'm also hot gluing the snowman to the insert, and that's the insert to the smaller one. Isn't it cute? Okay, here we go. Here we go with me dipping out some of that glitter, and that was not enough, but you'll see. And I left this in there on purpose because I wanted you guys to see my mistake so that you won't make the same one. So here we go, and I'm going to shake it up. Isn't that cute? And I'm shaking it up. Look at that. That is so cute. But again, it's too much glitter. And I have to put more water in it because you can see the tip of the tree. So I'm setting it down here, and I'm going to add some more water. Oh, after I take out the snow. That was way too much. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway. And here I forgot to put more water in it, but I still need to put more water in. And listen, guys, when you put the insert back in, make sure that it's all the way in, because if you don't, it will leak. It will. Here we go, taking it out for the third time, because I need to add some more water. And after you add the water, then add the glycerin. Don't add the glycerin before you add the water, because it's just going to make the flakes chunk up, and you don't want that to happen. I didn't measure the glycerin, but I know you don't need that much. There you go. Now the tree is covered. Look at that. Cute globe. All right, now you see me using the little one. And common sense would have told me to take out some of that glitter before I even attempted to do it, but not Lady T. I'm turning it upside down for you. Look at that. That is so cute. All right, there's the little one again, and I don't know what I was doing right here, but here I am pouring water into it without taking out the extra glitter. Didn't learn from the first one, but I want y'all to learn from me. Don't put that much glitter in there, okay? And I actually had put way too much water in there as well, and I took it out, but I wanted to spare you the boringness of it all. So I'm just showing you the part after I poured out the water. Again, please make sure that you put that insert in there very well, because if you don't, it will leak. Now look at all that snow on there. Y'all know I don't need all that snow on there. Y'all know that's an excessive winter wonderland right there. So here I am. I didn't show you, but I took it out. I took a lot of it out. As you can see, look at it. The one on the left is not quite as much in there because I had to go and take it out. But look at the little snow globes. Well, I hope you recreate these and have as much fun as I did. Again, thanks for watching, and I do really appreciate you. All right, Lady T signing out.